Updating your payment information on Revolut is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your details are current and accurate. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your payment settings. Step 2. Navigate to the Profile section. Tap on the profile icon, usually located in the top left or bottom right corner of the app. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the Profile section, look for the option labeled Payment Method or Cards. Tap on it to view your current payment information. Step 4. Update your information. Choose the payment method you want to update. You can add a new card, edit existing details, or remove outdated payment methods. Follow the prompts to enter the new information. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your payment information, make sure to save the changes. Look for a confirmation message to ensure your updates have been successfully applied. By following these steps, you can easily keep your payment information up to date on Revolut. Regularly checking your details can help prevent any disruptions in your transactions.